I just started it.
That's a vlog.
Don't worry. So our captain passed out on the water. And we are definitely kind of drifting out now.
Yeah, we're getting close. Hey, Betsy.
So I think I'm taking
We're
over.
getting
and
right
let
over
her-
to the.
Let her have a ride.
We're gonna
her
take you on a
dream.
ride because we're getting right to the shore. You want us to pull you in? You gotta come swimming.
Hey, Betsy, I'm taking over the captain's seat. You want a ride of your dream?
No. I'm bringing my fisher in.
She's like, no.
My little worm. Oh, he's not dead yet. Oh, he's almost.
I'd love to have like a place like that with a little access to
Okay, everybody watch the worm.
the
He's
water, just
coming
like
to hang
that.
out with us.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, there. It's actually not that bad.
It's not cold at all. What are you talking about? Go. Yeah, get in there, girl.
No, you want to get picked up and get tossed in there with your glasses in your hat? Uh-huh. Do you want to do that? Go ahead. Sit your ass down. Thank you.
I'll take my glasses off first.
That's okay.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, she did it before I could do it.
Holy fuck. Not that bad.
Oh.
Not bad.
Wait, start the boat. Let's go.
How is it? How is it?
It's still waking.
Okay, I'm coming in.
That is like
Stay. We just.
What you said.
Oh,
It
really?
is totally wake.
It's that cold?
It's not that cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, your nipples hit hard.
But now I'll be nice and cool up here because I was getting toasted. Yeah.
Fun. So you were nervous that if I don't get here in the right way, I'm gonna be pissed.
I was like, maybe
And-
send her all the way around there and back. And I said, you don't understand. She gets frustrated sometimes.
Oh,
And I said
that's what you think. That's what you think.
You do get frustrated sometimes.
Like a cycle,
What?
like a cycle.
No, it's just a quick moment.
Mhm.
You say what you say, and then you're like, okay, I'm good. Just have to get it out. That's what I was like.
Michelle thinks of me.
No, I was like, gosh, I hope I didn't send her all the way over there and have to turn back around. I was
Yeah,
like, she's
the
gonna,
half-hour drive
she's gonna hate me.
all the way to the other side of this lake.
Well, I know
and then
if
come
I was
back.
in your situation, I would be like, oh my gosh, where's she sending me? Oh my gosh, where am I now? Now she's sending me back. Ah. I know, I would be frustrated.
Yeah, so you had a guilt feeling?
I did, because I was like, but then again, I had no clue where we were going either.
Oh, this worked out perfect because when you sent me the text with the new pinned location, I was right here. If you didn't send it and I didn't link to that,
Yeah,
I would have just keep going on that road. But it was like 500 feet, make a right turn.
yeah. That's good.
One side, yeah. So it worked out really good. Let me see.
Yeah.
Up to.
So I'm growing raspberries. I've got wild raspberries, blackberries. I like to say forest, but it's not the forest. The woods. Oh my god, I love the mountains. some?
Yes, thank you.
I don't know where I can buy it. It's not letting me buy the damn thing.
What is it?
Usually license.
I grew up in Arkansas.
Are you really?
Permissions granted. The girls are okay to be on our vlog. Awesome.
Did you get these in my? You didn't get these in Meyer. Tom's. Okay. So I can stop on.
It was such a beautiful day with the girls. I had a really, really good time. I loved that Sabrina was with us. But at the end of our trip, we of course finished it with a little bit of a rain. It kind of rains every day here, later afternoon hours. And we did get caught up in the rain, and as soon as that sunshine goes away and it starts raining, it gets really chilly, and we were not prepared for that. But we had an amazing time. Here goes Sabrina covering her face. We had an amazing time, and we saw a lot of beautiful properties on the lake. Are you falling asleep? Mm-hmm. You are? Oh, honey. You're so cute.